Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all. And while I can't anymore, no. Someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium, the limit of love is endless. I know, just do what you want with me. Oh, yeah, I want it all. Couldn't care less the cost. I give my everything. Oh, someone say I'm insane and they're right in the way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium, yeah, give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. For your pandemonium,
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Lost a lot of friends on this journey, wondering when they'll come back. Fake friends I don't talk to, try to come in contact. Haven't talked to my ex, miss the feeling of love. Tell me why I'm thinking of you when I'm not sleeping enough. I feel like sometimes I'm the only one that doesn't know what's next. I feel like sometimes I only hit you up when I want sex. That's not right, but I'll be honest, I've been caught up in this life. I'm too worried about the world instead of worried about what's right. Let's go. To the rest, I'm alright, I'm not the best, but I won't stop until I see 6 figures written on my check. I want it all, well who doesn't hate the game, but then I love it, cause anyone can make it if you have the guts to plummet. Everyone wants to be big, but are too afraid to fall. I jumped out and took a risk, and that's the reason why I ball. I told you from the beginning, look back, see how far I made it, waiting for my time to come. I'll go as far as you take me, yeah. Honestly, I still do. Breaking all these walls, learning these records can mold you. Had 1,000 plays in a year.